We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the Russian mixed martial artist and the reigning UFC lightweight champion. That's after defeating Conor McGregor, of course, in a historic and memorable fight to watch. So, the Russian pronunciation of his name would normally be, this is how you should in principle pronounce it, Khabib Nurmagomedov. Khabib Nurmagomedov. Khabib Nurmagomedov. But everyone in English or American says it as Khabib Nurmagomedov. Khabib Nurmagomedov. Really can't wait to see him fight again Conor or Justin. Perhaps which fight would you like to see most? I guess it would be Conor. Let us know in the comments. I would love to see him fight Justin as well. Cheers.